3 already.
Day 3, 20th of July.
We're back on the road on our way to Wellington. First night in the van was really nice.
It was great.
I loved it. The bed was just incredible.
I slept awesome.
Our first port of call today is getting a coffee.
Yes.
Nice. Thank you so much.
No problem.
No worries.
There you go. I'll give that to you. It's the record.
It's the first bit of snow right there. It's not soft.
It's not soft. It's ice.
Rightio. What did we just do?
Felt snow for the first time
Where did we do it?
on a mountain.
Which mountain?
I can't pronounce it. I'm not going to pronounce it because I can't. I've accepted. I can't pronounce the names.
It's Ruapehu, Mount Ruapehu, and it is outside of VOLCANO, which was on the way from Waitomo to Wellington.
So we've just rolled into Wellington. It's 6:20.
Wonder what's happening in that stadium, because in Auckland tonight there's the FIFA World Cup, so what does it say? Fan Festival, 20th of July. Interesting.
FIFA. Yeah?
That's so good.
Nice. Okay. Apparently, I didn't hit record before. Sad days. So we've just been to Shepherd for dinner. That was fantastic. We are so full. It's blisteringly cold here in Wellington. Behind us is the Te Papa National Museum, and this is where we're parked for the night, so we haven't got far to travel in the morning. Anyway, I am so full. I'm struggling to breathe, so I'm gonna go get in the warm van. Yoo!